What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 tips that's going to help you grow your MyEcon business on Facebook, okay? 3 tips to growing your MyEcon business on Facebook. Now, you got to understand, I've been in MyEcon for over 3 years. I'm having success with MyEcon, but I wasn't having that much success because I didn't know how to market the correct way on Facebook. And there's a difference between Facebook and YouTube, okay? You can do YouTube videos, which is what I love to do, but now I want to go into 2020 marketing, on Facebook as well. So I'm going to use those 2 platforms as my way of of getting the message out about MyEcon and the other businesses that I am a part of as well. But I want to show you in this video, or actually tell you in this video, 3 things that you can do right now that's going to get you more engagement, to get you more targeted leads, and it's going to help you take your business to another level. Now, I'm outside walking around in my little neighborhood. It's a nice 60-something degrees in the wintertime, or maybe still fall, I'm not sure. I think it's wintertime now. But here, down south, it's a nice warm day, but I still got my little jacket on because I don't want to catch the flu, okay? So if you're struggling to get leads on Facebook and that's something that you're into, and you want to know how all the top marketers are doing it, how other people in MyEcon are having success, then you want to follow these 3 tips that I'm about to give to you right now. And understand that if you do this, then you're going to have some success in your business. And if you stick around to the end of this video, then I'm going to actually give you a free resource that's going to teach you more about what I'm talking about in this video, okay? So the first thing you need to do is you need to build your audience, okay? If you're not building your audience on Facebook, then you're not going to have any success. Trust me, if you just have 100 friends or whatever, no one's seeing your content. No one's seeing the valuable content that you should be posting, okay? And I'm gonna get to that in a minute, but you should build an audience first. At any platform that you're on, you need to be building an audience. And if you're not building an audience, then that simply means that you don't have anyone to show your content to. So how do you build your audience? One thing you can do is what we call the follow method. You can do that method as well. Okay, how y'all doing? You can do the follow method, okay? And then there's a friend method, okay? And then there's also commenting on big influencers pages as well, that brings attention to you by giving valuable information. So that's how you build your audience on Facebook, okay? And also, I'm gonna throw this in right here while I'm at it. Make sure you clean up your profile, okay? If your profile looks like a big billboard, no one's going to take you serious, and they're going to just see you as a spammer. And trust me, if I used to have that type of stuff on my page, the dollars, money, things like that, people don't look at that stuff. And if they do, then you're attracting the wrong kind of people for your business, okay? Trust me. And you don't want those people in your business. There are specific types of people that I'm going after now that I want in my business, and it don't include newbies, somebody that never done an online business or think that this is a scam, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to build your audience, okay? So I'm walking down by my auntie's house, and y'all, it's just such a beautiful day out here. I'm really enjoying myself and thing. So let's get to it. The second thing you want to do is, once you build your audience, you want to engage your audience. Now, what do I mean by engage? It goes back to what I was saying a minute ago. You want to be giving them valuable content that they can consume, that's going to help them get from where they want to be. And you do that by touching on their pains, their problems, their concerns. People are in pain, and they want to get from pain to pleasure. And if your content has enough value in it that's going to help them move from that point to where they want to be, then you can have success with this, okay? So valuable content comes in the form of curiosity, not in the form of you posting your business opportunity and links on your profile. Now, I keep saying profile because I don't want you going out trying to do fan pages, simply because fan pages is a paid to play platform, okay? Now, if you're going to use Facebook ads, that's a different story. You can use a fan page, but if you want to do it for free in a simple way where you're going to be consistent with it every day, then you want to use your profile, okay? And so this is free, what I'm telling you. You don't have to spend any money out of pocket to actually do this. So you want to build your audience and engage your audience with valuable curiosity posts. Look, lifestyle, okay? If you're out and about somewhere, post a lifestyle and come up with a story about that, okay? If you're, visiting with family, having a good time, post it, okay? And post no more than at least 2 or 3 times a day. Some people only post 1 a day and having great success. Twice a day is for me. That's my limit, okay? And you want to have curiosity-based posts about your business opportunity, about your lifestyle, and some inspirational posts as well, okay? But all of those posts can lead back to your business, but you don't want to just be spamming your link everywhere, all on your profile, looking like a big billboard, that nobody's going to pay attention to. And you know that because your friends and family ain't even looking at it. So if they're not looking at it, somebody who's looking to get in a business or want to be in a business, that they're not looking at it, okay? Do you understand where I'm coming from? Okay, so write that down. Build your audience. Then you want to engage your audience. So what happens after you build and then you start engaging? You want to start building a relationship. And what I mean by that is you want to sell to your audience. Don't be afraid to sell. Nobody likes to be sold, but everybody likes to buy, okay? But they want to be sold, but you have to know how to sell them, okay? And what I mean by that, you sell them through stories, through your content, through valuable content, and you make a connection with these people. You build a rapport with your prospect, with your leads, and then you want to sell them. You want to find out when you contact them. Look, don't be afraid to pick up the phone. Don't be afraid to contact them through Messenger, okay? If someone opts into your page, your opt-in page or whatever, then that means they want to be contacted. That means they are looking for information to move them from where they are. They are in pain, and you have the solution to their problem. If you can help them get from here to here, from pain to pleasure, then trust me, people are going to gravitate to you, okay? So you want to give them valuable content. And once you get them, on the phone, or once you start messaging them through Facebook or whatever, okay, find out what their issues are, okay? It's not about you. It's not about you. It's about them. You want to find out what their pains are and offer them a solution. Ask questions, okay? Because questions will lead them from where they, to telling you and opening up to you. Here's something I want to drop in your lap right quick, and just understand this, that people say, they want to make money. Well, everybody wants to make money. Is that right? Everybody wants to make money. Look at a dog over there just barking at me. Good thing he can't get out there. But, everybody wants to make money. But the question is, why do you want to make money? Okay? Why do you, and I'm talking to you right now, why do you want to make money? People say they want to make money because they can, get out of debt. They want to make money. I'm a car up the road. Let me move over. They want to make money because they want to, they want freedom and things like that. Everybody has a different reason as to why they want to make money, okay? But here's the thing. It's deeper than that. It's deeper than that. You have to go deeper. What would it mean for you to have that money? You see what I'm saying? How is that money going to really help you? And when you start getting, you need to ask why. at least 7 times, okay? Why do you, what does having that money mean to you, okay? What does, when they answer that question, why do you want to do that? Why do you want to do that? Why would you want to do this? You want to keep asking why. You don't want to tell them why they need it. Ask them why they need it. What's their reason for wanting it? And you're going to find out after about 6 or 7 whys, you have gotten down to the core root, a core cause of why they want that money, why they want to make that money. Maybe they came up poor. Maybe they're tired of living on welfare. Maybe they're tired of living on government assistance. Maybe they're about to be thrown out of their, foreclosed, or they've lost their car in the past. You need to find out their why, okay? And when you can find out their why, when you can find out what situation they're going through and what they're dealing with, and you can give them a solution to their problem. I want you to understand something. Entrepreneurs are professional problem solvers. That's what you are. And if you think about it, what's a doctor? A problem solver. What's a dentist? A problem solver. Okay? Just think about that. You as an online entrepreneur, you are a problem solver. So you want to build your audience. You want to engage your audience. And then you want to sell to your audience, okay? And then I want to put another one on that, because I think this is key too. You also want to support your audience. When you get somebody in the business or your business or whatever the case is, whatever you have for them, then don't just leave them alone. Check up on them, see what they're going through. That was one of the mistakes I made, in 2019 and in the past. That was some of the mistakes I made with just getting people in and sending them some training, thinking that they were going to go through it, that it was going to work out for them. But sometimes the training can be overwhelming. So you still want them to know that, hey, I'm here for you, if you need my help, okay? So you want to be that person that's there for the person, okay? Now, I said I was going to give you 3, and I gave you 3. One was build your audience. You got to build, okay? The next one is you got to engage your audience, okay, with valuable content, okay? Number 3, you want to sell to your audience, okay? And then I gave you a bonus, which is number 4, but I want to drop another one in here. I want you to understand something, that your business opportunity is really not your business. You are your business. People don't join MyEcon. People join you. When you can understand that, when you get that, really let that sink in, people join people, okay? I really had to, let that sink in. I don't care what offer you're offering or what product you're offering. People join people. Remember that you have to build that know, like, and trust with someone in order for them to join you. And also, leads are people. Your niche, whatever people call, they are people. People are hurting. People are going through some things. And just for you trying to sell them something so you can make some money, they're not going to go for it, okay? They're not going to do it. So build your audience, engage your audience, sell to your audience, support the ones who join you, okay? Do that. It's a big yellow bus. I remember I used to ride those things back in the day. Pretty sure some of y'all can remember it too. But that's exactly what you have to do. Y'all, I'm just walking around my neighborhood, looks kind of rough down here in the winter time. Got to get out there and do me some squirrel hunting. I haven't done any of that yet. Y'all know I'm just a good old country boy, so my uncle came down and killed a couple of deer, so I got to get out there and get me one and things. So, I know some of y'all, I'm a fisherman. I like to hunt and things like that. I do all of that kind of stuff. You know, that's one of the good things about coming up in the country. You know, if you can't afford the food in the grocery store, then you improvise. You go out there and hunt and kill it, baby. You know what I'm saying? And things. So that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? But I can get grocery. I'm just saying, you know. But anyway, that's what I want you to realize. Understand that. And you need to be branding you. Don't brand your company. I'm going to do another video on that. Okay. I'm going to do another video on that about branding yourself. But I just wanted to touch on it just a little bit with you so you'll get the understanding of what it is that I'm saying. Okay. Once again, build your audience, engage your audience, sell to your audience, and then support your audience. I like to call that best. Best, not best, best. B-E-S-S. Write that down. Now take this information down and make sure you do something good with it, because I'm trying to give you valuable information that I'm starting to apply to my business now. And trust me, it's working, okay? Instead of just trying to sell, you need to start building relationships, rapport with people by first building your audience, giving valuable content to your audience, okay? You're engaging them. And then by selling to your audience, by finding out what their desires, their dreams, their pains and problems are, okay? And then support them. Don't just get them on there and leave them hanging, okay? Unless you have a good training system that's going to do that, then I highly, suggest that you, stay in touch with them. Let them know you're there for them and help them out, because people are in need these days, okay? Trust me. Now, I hope you got value from this video. There's a link in the description below down there for you to get a free training on about engage, about building, about the best. It don't have the last S on it, but it's about the best. B-E-S, build, engage, sell your audience. You can click the link in the description to get that information so you can see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. And, we have some tools that you can use that's going to help you explode your MyEcon business. So those are the 3 tips that's going to help you grow your MyEcon business on Facebook. Thank you for all my subscribers. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button there so you'll be notified, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, leave me a comment below if you got value from this video. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, however you feel. And this is Richard Hairston. I'm out of here. Click the link in the description to get your free training just for watching this video. Thank you for spending the time with me. Y'all have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. I'm getting in the house before I catch the flu. Peace.